Like, what is fresh air? You know what I mean? We don't get to have fresh air anymore.
I think it's unnecessary. It's excessive.
Some people in Indianapolis are not happy after finding out they could face fines for not wearing a face mask in public. Mayor Joe Hogsett and the Marion County Health Department announced a new COVID-19 safety measure today. And good evening, I'm Kylie Conway.
And I'm Phil Sanchez. News 8's Demi Johnson live in downtown for us tonight. And Demi, violators could be fined $1,000.
They could, but for right now, the Marion County Health Department says businesses will most likely be hit with those fines, but it's possible people may have to pay up for not wearing a mask too.
The time for warnings is over.
Mayor Joe Hogsett did not tread lightly Tuesday.
Their selfishness is an insult to the families of the 3,000 Hoosiers who have lost their lives while infected with this virus.
Now Hogsett has made it a priority that violators of the mask mandate will face consequences, and in some cases fines of up to $1,000. A number Natasha Cheatham and Raven Partee say isn't reasonable.
That's a lot of money for some people. That's more than rent, that is rent.
$1,000 fine, which seems to be more than some traffic offenses, which is crazy just for not having a mask on, and I'm outside.
The two worry some fines could be handed out unfairly.
It kind of speaks to the fact that we don't always account for the human side of things. I get policy, procedure, rules, and all of those things are in place for a reason. At the same time, we have a lot going on. Life is still going on with coronavirus.
It makes me think about, like, what would happen if one of my children, like if I'm with my kids and one of them were caught without a mask on.
The Marion County Health Department says so far no people have been fined, but that businesses can face day fines of up to $1,500. They can also be shut down for repeated violations. Enforcement is handled exclusively by the health department, which has 10 to 20 inspectors on the street, plus a few sheriff's deputies that work for the department.
Just feeling blindsided is part of my issue with this more than anything.
Cheatham hopes, despite the mayor's message, enforcers will go easy on people, at least at the start.
It's not that people are trying to be intentionally disrespectful, but it's a new normal that it's just hard getting used to.
The city does have a complaint hotline for you to call and report people or businesses for not wearing a mask. That number is 317-221-5500. And at last check, the Marion County Health Department received 400 complaints and issued 2 citations. Live in Indianapolis, Demi Johnson, Wish TV, wishtv.com, and follow us on Facebook.
All right, Demi, thank you very much.